back with another video with Cooking with Daddy and
Father.
So we were relaxing and we had dinner and everything, so it's almost time for dessert. So today we are going to make banana boat treats.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with a banana boat treat. If you like banana, if you like treats, a banana boat treat together, amazing. So for this one today, we have nuts, we have chocolate, we have marshmallows. If you like peanut butter, if you like Nutella, anything you like can go into the banana boat. So first, you want to preheat your oven to 375 and let that heat up while you're prepping your food and getting everything together. Also, you'll need foil for when you put the banana into the oven. So let's start. So first things first, I'm going to do the part with the knife to get us started. So, let me see this, baby. You want to slit the banana down the middle through the peel deep enough so that you have room to fit your toppings in it. So I'm going to make a slit just like this.
You cut it the white part.
Hold that right there. Let me do yours, Pooh Bear.
Ooh, I can see inside. It's like a purse.
Looks like a purse.
Yeah, because I can put my thumb in there.
You can put your thumb in there?
Yeah, look.
Do you put your thumb in your purse?
No.
Okay, so now we have that
I
cut.
put my thumb in my purse.
Let's open this up just a little bit like this so we can see inside.
Like this?
Yep, peel it all the way open. Not all the way out, but like this. So once you have your banana split like this, you see how you want to have enough space like that so that you can fit toppings in it. Alright, so let's open this up just a little bit, boo.
Like this now?
Yep. Let me see.
Oopsies.
That's okay. Let me see. So let's spread it like that.
Is that so you can have two bananas?
That's the house for your treats.
Can I put it now?
Yep. Now the next part is to take whatever toppings you like. So if you're going to put chocolate, Pooh, why don't you put some chocolate in there first? Next comes the foil.
Oh, yeah.
You want to wrap your banana boat up in the foil so when you put it in the oven, it cooks and melts everything nice and evenly. So once you have your banana boats tin foiled up, like I said, the oven is set to 375. You want to put these in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until everything is nice and warm and melted and combined. And then you have the perfect banana boat. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and as soon as they're ready, we'll come back and we'll see how delicious they look. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back. Everything is out of the oven. Sorry I'm behind the camera. I just wanted to be able to come closer so I can give you guys a good look of what these look like. Oh, as you see, the marshmallow, the walnuts, everything is nice and melted. Look at that. Ooh, looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now comes the moment of truth. Let's give it a try. See what you think.
It tastes good.
So you You guys enjoy the banana boats?
Yeah.
All right, everybody give me a big smile.
Cheese.
Facebook, YouTube, thanks again. And you are watching Cooking with Daddy and